Want crispy, delicious meals without all the extra oil? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best air fryers on Amazon that are winning over home cooks across the country. From compact models to family-size favorites, we've got options for every kitchen and budget. Check the product links in the description for the latest prices, features, and customer reviews. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more top product recommendations. Product 5, Ninja AF142 5QT 5-in-1, Air Fryer 1750, Gray. Dinner panic. The fries were frozen solid again. The oven was busy. The clock was mocking me. I thought tonight's meal was doomed to disappointment. Then I spotted a sleek Ninja on the counter. Could one compact machine really save dinner? I dropped in fries, pressed air fry, and waited. Superheated 400-degree air attacked every side at once. Minutes later, the basket opened like a miracle. Golden, crunchy fries. Crispy wings, no greasy mess. So this was the truth. Guilt-free fried food. It air fries, bakes, roasts, reheats, and dehydrates. Big 5-quart capacity handled family portions effortlessly. And cleanup, the non-stick basket washed in seconds. Ninja Air Fryer Pro made chaos taste incredible. Bring home the crispy upgrade. Check the link in the description for the latest price, features, and real customer reviews. Product 4, Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Leftovers used to taste sad and soggy every time, and dinner always took forever to feel truly ready. Then I found the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. This 6-quart air fryer brings crunch back fast. With even crisp, you get 95% less oil. That means golden chicken wings, fries, and snacks. Plus 6 cooking functions in one easy appliance. Air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, or reheat. The touchscreen keeps everything simple and easy to follow. One-touch settings make cooking feel almost effortless. I can cook up to 6 portions at once, perfect for family dinners, meal prep, or sides. And the stainless steel finish looks great on my counter. Cleanup is easy too with the dishwasher safe basket. Tap the product link below to see current pricing, key features, and buyer feedback. Product 3, Cosori Air Fryer Pro 5QT, ceramic, non-stick, 450F. Dinner time, but the oven clock is still crawling. Meet Cosori Pro LE, fast, compact, and quietly powerful. 450 GF high heat air frying cuts cooking time dramatically. Steak, fries, or veggies. Ready in minutes, not hours. 7 presets make every meal feel one-touch simple. Preheat and keep warm, keep your timing perfectly on track. No cooking experience? Start confidently from the first tap. Its square 5-quart basket fits family-size meals easily. Cook everything at once. No batching, no waiting, no stress. Ceramic nonstick coating helps food release smoothly every time. Dishwasher safe parts mean cleanup finishes almost as fast. Use up to 85% less oil. Keep the crunch. Air Whisper technology keeps dinner conversation calm and clear. Plus, 100+ app recipes make healthy planning effortless. Want more details? Check the link in the description for pricing, specs, and reviews. Product 2, Chefman 10L Air Fryer, Oven Rotisserie Black XL. Dinner was collapsing and hungry faces turned into a crisis. I opened the kitchen, expecting one disaster after another. Then I spotted a sleek black machine glowing with promise. Could one appliance really save roast, fries, and dessert? I pressed a preset and the mystery began. No preheating, no confusion, just rapid hot air power. Suddenly, chicken crisped, vegetables roasted, and snacks dehydrated perfectly. The secret? Air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, rotisserie. All inside one extra-large 10-liter family-sized powerhouse. 17 touch presets made every meal feel impossible to fail. Through the big window, I watched every golden second. With 98% less oil, guilt finally left the table. Cleanup was shockingly easy, thanks to removable dishwasher safe parts. 3 racks, rotisserie tools, and a drip tray included. For families and meal preppers, this is the kitchen hero. Visit the product link in the description for the newest deals, features, and ratings. Product 1, Emeril Lagasse 26QT French door, air fryer, oven. Ever feel like your kitchen is running out of space? Too many appliances, not enough counter, and dinner still takes forever. That's exactly why I love this Emeril Lagasse combo oven. It replaces an air fryer, toaster oven, and more. With a huge 26-quart capacity, it handles family meals easily. Think whole chicken, 12-inch pizza, or a full cookie tray, and with 24 one-touch presets, cooking feels effortless. Air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, even slow cook. The French doors open smoothly, making food access super easy. Digital controls help you set everything with precision and confidence. The 360-degree hot air circulation makes food crisp and evenly cooked. You get that golden finish with less oil and less hassle. Toast comes out perfectly too, with automatic shutoff for no burns. Plus, 7 accessories make cooking, roasting, and baking more versatile. Click the link below to explore the latest price, features, and customer experiences. Like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome finds.